or FC, whatever way you want to do it is fine by me. Red osier dogwood without rooting hormone. Just loosen everything up here carefully so we're not pulling on any tender new roots that may be there. We've got callus forming. Okay, you can see, I don't know if you can see, but at the bottom, it's almost sealed over that wound completely, which is kind of neat. So that's a good view of callus forming. But we don't have roots happening quite yet. We do have a little bit of a flush, just a tiny little bit. So I would call that, again, FC or CF, the code that doesn't yet exist, because we have both of those things going on. Dogwood without hormone, number 2. Okay, again, we can see that callus. Okay, it is just forming. So this is one of those that if you called it callus, I would give you the marks. And if you said no callus, I would probably give you the marks there as well. The first week, it's always really tricky, and that's why we're doing this collection together. But I would call that a C, and we've got just the startings of a flush up here. So again, red osier, dogwood without, number 2, FC, code that does not exist. Dogwood without hormone, number 3. Oh, that's a root. Okay, then be gentle here. All right, so we've got a root starting right here at the very top of the wound, and there's a couple more. Try and get my giant clumsy fingers out of the way, but here's another root starting, and here's another root starting. So again, we're kind of in that area of, do we call them roots and do we not, or do we not? And either one I think would be valid. So here's where I would normally suggest just going back to our chart and seeing what we recorded last time, but since we haven't been recording it, I don't remember, so I'm just going to refer back to the video and we'll be consistent in our collection there.